Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 81 Chevy C10. The neutral safety switch has a little adjustment. There's stereo. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Horn. Wipers. See, the dome light works. Don't know what, he had an old guy mirror on here evidently. There's your regular mirror. Did custom with mirrors on the sun visors. Runs really strong. Tilt wheel. Fans, we need to look at the fans. Check the lights. Like I said, runs like a watch, only a couple thousand miles on the engine. I got receipts for that. Electric choke, Chevrolet carburetor, still has smog on it. Still got the smog pump because it was from California. Jack and spare go with it. Here's your lights. Tail lights. Just single exhaust on it. So, good running truck. Looks to me like the only thing we got to look at here is we got to work on that neutral safety switch a little bit, and then the heater fan. So, great truck. I'll have another video of driving it. Any questions? 605-695-7391.